Hello guys, today we're going to make a farm. Here's the red barn, a path for the animals. Here's a wash area for the animals. Then let's make a garden. Let's plant some seeds. Let's water it and let the plants grow. Here we have lettuce, carrots, and pumpkins. Then let's add a big silo. Now it's time to build the fences so our animals don't run away. Let's also add a tree and a doghouse. Now let's open the barn and see which animals are inside. Ooh, who's in there? Here's a calf or a baby Holstein cow. Let's turn the baby calf into a big cow. Here it is. Next, we have a baby horse or a foal. We're gonna turn this into a big horse. Here's a young pony or a foal. Now it's a big pony. Here's a young donkey or a foal. Now it's a big donkey. Here's a piglet. Now it's a big pig. Here's a puppy. Now it's a big dog. Here's a kid or a young goat. Here's a young alpaca or cria. Now it's a big alpaca. Here's a lamb. Here's a ewe. Here's a cute kitten. Now it's a queen. Here's a chick or a baby chicken. Now it's a rooster. Here's a baby duck or duckling. Here is a young llama or a cria. Now it's a stud. Looks like everyone's ready to start the day. First, we're going to brush the cow. So this is our farm for today. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.